So are you innovative and creative? Our leaders need provision to support them in their leadership development. We need new ways and different ways of being able to do this. Now, you might be working in partnership, in collaboration with the staff within your own schools on new ways of thinking, especially around the new curriculum and its delivery. And if you are in this position and have a programme or a type of provision that might support leaders in moving the new curriculum forward, and you might think, well, we don't have the evidence to support that of how successful it might be. But what we want you to do is to have a conversation with us and see whether we can support you in moving that programme forward and trialling something to see whether this is worthwhile for being put forward for endorsement in the future. It might not be ready for endorsement quite yet, but this is an opportunity for you to work and to devise a new way of thinking. So look at our website, have a conversation with us and find out more about the Innovation Fund.